Here we have some options in this particular section. We go with that. First one, how can we just insert the particular header and footer in this particular document, right? So firstly, just move on this section. Firstly, just make the multiple pages here. You can go through this. This is the plus symbol. Just click on this. Okay, you will get the multiple pages, or you just use Control plus page down. You will get the also the page like that, right? You can enter the page number here. You just increase the page number like that. Just click on here. You will increase the page number, and you can also set the particular page size like this A4, and click on OK. You will get the A4 in this particular section like this, right? So this will help you to take the particular page from this section, and after that you can also move from this section, and you can also insert from this section as well, right? So here we have a multiple pages on this particular section, and if you want to just observe the header and footer in this particular document or file, just click on this option tool, and again move on the macro option, that is macro, and click on run macro. Last time you have studied about the calendar wizard, right? Next,
Yes, sir.
global macro. Just click on global macro. When you click on global macro, you will get this option, and here we have the page numbering option. Just see there. Second option is CorelDraw page numbering option. Just click on this and click on run. You will get the window like that. You can remove this hash symbol from this section. Just see there. Here we want to just type any content for the footer or header. Just type here. This is, or just type in www.svsdti.com, right? And after doing that, you can also set the left and right margin for this particular page numbering, and just move on where, that is the font. You can increase the font size, you can change the font style as well. Just move here, and you can choose any one for that. And here the different alignment for the particular footer or page numbering, go through this. And if you want to just click on this, just
yes, sir.
That is bottom left or bottom right. So if you choose bottom right, and after this, just move on this effect option, or you can also set the color from this section. Just click on change color, and you will get the color palette, and just choose any color for your work. And after taking the color, just move on the effect, right? In this section, we can rotate,
Yes,
give rotate for the particular text. Just click on this. Yes, just click on yes. And here we have the options like that. Okay. So here we have 4 by predefined options: 0 degree, 90 degree. You can go with the 90 degree. And if you want to just manipulate some angles, you can just move here and just type some angle for that particular text, right? And click on apply. When you click on apply, you will get the content at each page like this. Just click on exit. Just see there. Here we have some content at this page, each and every page of our document, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is the use of, you can also use as a header, or you can go with the footer where you want to just position, just place your position. You will get the particular position of this particular text, top, left, right, bottom, as you choose in the previous section, right? Just go with the,
yes,
how can we insert the new page, page numbering in this section? Just click on this again, and move on the macro, and again click on macro, run macro. And we choose here the same option, that is global macro. And after that, here we again choose page numbering option, and click on run, right? When the hash is coming in this section, means page numbering will be appear on the our CorelDraw file, right? In each and every page of the document or publication. Just click on here font, and you can just modify and just increase the font size for that like this. We choose here 72, and change the color for that. Just choose here dark color, like blue color. Just choose here blue color, and click on OK. And you can also give the effect. Here we can just choose the direction where you want. Just click on here. We choose 180 degree, or you just click on 90 degree. But here we have the position will be changed in this section. Just click on font, and here the option by which we just change the alignment of that. We want just left side, not right side. So just click on here. That is, just move here, and here we bottom left. Just click on bottom left and click on apply. You will get the page numbering like that. Just close this and just see here. Here we get the page number on each and every page on the left side, right? It will help us to give the page numbering on our file by using this, right? For example, if you want to just work with the prospectus or document There is so many multiple pages available there. You want to just give some page numbering on that particular document, you can apply this option, right? Let's move on
Yes,
to
sir.
another option. Just here we have the next option. Just click on again. Last time we have studied about bitmap. You have completed that all options or not? Just see there is something
Yes,
missing in
sir.
this particular section. We just go with that. For example, firstly, just double click or just press Ctrl+I to take the image in this section. And after taking the image, you can go through that option. For example, here we just take this flower or a simple flower like this, right? And click on import and just draw like this structure. And after drawing this structure, you want to just outline, make the outline of this particular image. Here we have some options. Last time there's some hanging in this particular step. So just go with that. First one, that is trace map. That is a trace map. Just click on this. And here we have the traces, different options. Just click on quick trace and click on reduce to bitmap. So we have to just convert this into reduce to bitmap and just wait there. You will get the bitmap property in this particular image. This is the waiting symbol appearing here. So we have to wait there. Just see there. It's bitmap like structure coming with that, and original image is behind that. You can observe that image like this, right? You can delete the previous one by using this. And here we have the original image. And if you want to just remove some parts of that, right? Like this. So firstly, we have to ungroup that option. Just right click here on the mouse, or you can also use Ctrl+U, or you can also go through this and click on ungroup all, right? So here we have three options. Either you can go with the mouse, by keyboard, or by shortcut keys, or by following the menu. Just click on this. Here we have all the object as a separate individual entity. Just select it and delete it. It will remove from this section, and you will get the flower like structure only, and remove the background from this section. By selecting it and delete it, you will get like this types of structure in this section, right? Like this.
Yes, sir.
Clear? And after making this structure, you just group it, just select it and press Ctrl+A, or just select it like this. And you want to just make the outline structure for that, right? Just press Ctrl+G, or you can go through this option. This is the create boundary. Just click on create boundary. You will get the boundary over all the shape like that, and you will get the particular shape of your flower, right? So this will help to take the shape or to draw the outline structure of the particular diagram, particular face, particular logo, right? And you can give the color by using this. Understood? Similarly, if you want to just go through this option, just see there. Here we want to just don't want this outline structure. We want to central outline structure. Just remove the previous one. Just click here and delete all the things like this. One by one, you can delete all the things. Whatever you need, just leave it. Otherwise, you will just delete all the object like that. Understood? Clear here?
Yes, sir.
This will helpful for you to do this types of. You can just move this section and place this particular object in your flower like that structure. And you can also change the order by using the Ctrl+page up, page down option, or you can also go through the option arrange. And here we have the order option, and you just move on where top layer. Just click on front of the page. You will get the structure like that, and you just place like that. And you just hold it and move a little bit upward direction like this, and you will get the particular location, proper location in this section. Understood? And just select it, give some other color with that, just copy that and draw it. Right? And just delete this. So this will helpful for the outline structure. And after that, if you want to just work with the image, just delete it or just move it a little bit right. Pressing Ctrl+G to group it and just leave at the right side. And again, just press Ctrl+I to take another image. Just see there. Here we choose this structure and click on insert and just draw a structure like that, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's see there. And after drawing this, here we have the next option, that is edit bitmap option. Edit bitmap option, just click on edit bitmap. It will open the particular software where we can just edit the different properties of the image. You have to hold here and just close there. You have learned about the Photoshop tools, so we can go through this as well for the photo editing. For example, just see there, here we have the face, and we want to just work with the face. Just move here. Here's the adjustment, and there are too many properties available there. So as you do in the Photoshop, you can also go with that. For example, here we just move on where that is the tone curve. Just click on tone curve. You will get the curve structure, and just move it a little bit up and down. You will get the effect like this. Okay. You can directly manipulate the properties of the particular image by using this feature. Let's click on adjustment and do any feature for that. If you want to just make it gray, gray scale, just go with that gray color. And you can also manipulate this particular sections like this, right? You can change the property from here to there like this. And you want a tint property, just go with that. You can also set the tint property like that. Clear? And after finishing this particular thing, just move on where? Close it by saving it. If you want to just add some structure with that, so we have some properties as well to insert the particular design in this. Just click on image option, and you can also move this direction, flip horizontally, flip vertically, go through this option. There are so many options as common in Photoshop, right? Clear here? And
yes, sir.
on this section, just see there, here we have the option by which we just erase the particular section. If you don't want, just increase the size as the same. Just click on this, it will increase the size. Just click on this, it will increase the size like this. Okay. And if you want to just remove some parts here, just click on this and removing like that. Okay. Unwanted part you can remove from this section like this. You just increase the size by typing the value. Just type here 90, you will get a size, and you just easily remove this section, outer part from this section. Right?
Yes, sir.
Any query? Just
No, sir.
leave it like that and just move on by using Ctrl+S to save this, or just close it. And here we have the two options. Just click on yes, you will get the change at the top. Just see there. Just move on a little bit upward direction. Just see there is background is removing from this section. Right? Again, just go with that. The next option is Ctrl+I, and just take some logo or any building structure from this section like this. If you want just this structure, I click on import and draw it like that. Right? And after drawing this, if you want to just remove this particular car structure from this image, you need to go through this option. Just click on here, and here we have the outline trace, and we have multiple properties. You can go through this option as well. Here we move with the high quality image, low quality. You can choose anyone to get this particular image in the form of bitmap format or a breakable object. Just see there, just wait a minute, and you will get the break image in this particular section. Just hold it. Right? And after getting this, just see there,
yes,
you have the option by which you just decrease the detail and increase the detail by using this. You will get a detail like that, and you will take the preview like that. Right? Just less detail or more detail, just click on this. You will observe in this section. Right? And click on OK. And after that, just right click here and again ungroup this object. You know very well. Otherwise, you just move on arrange option and click on ungroup all, and just select this particular section and move it from here to another part like this. Clear? And after moving this, just place in this section like this, and for this select like that and move, selecting like that and move here from this section and delete this particular part. Right? So just see there, you will get the car structure in this section. Just see there. And you want to just remove some parts, you can easily manipulate this section. Just delete it, delete it, delete it. Right? You just get these things, and after getting this thing, just click on bitmap, and here you convert into bitmap. It becomes a united images, and click on OK. You will get the bitmap image, and it become a single image, not into breakable part, right? The see there. So you will get
Yes, sir.
structure and you can make this by using this. Clear? And just go with the next option. Again, press Ctrl plus I and just choose any image for that, like this image. And click on import. Click here, you will get this image. And here we have some properties by which we can just only manipulate some parts, not only manipulate some contrast and brightness, you can also do another object with that. Just click again here. And just move on this. Just close that image and just move here. Just see there in this section. We can directly crop some parts of this image as you don't do in the CorelDraw. Just select this particular section and crop this part, whatever you want. Just click in this and click on enter, or you just click on finish editing, right? You will get this particular object in this section. Just see there. This cropping is missing. So just again, we have to do this process. Just click on this. And just move here and just crop it. How is it possible? Just select this crop image and crop this flower like that and move in this section image and use what? Crop, right? And click on crop border color, or you just crop the image. Just press enter, you will get the cropped image. Not color, if it's something missing, just click on this and select some part and crop it. Crop the border. Click on OK.
Sir, your screen is hanged.
What, dear?
Sir, your screen is hanged.
Missing in this particular section. I think computer is not properly work, so we have to finish here. Just click on. We can just directly click on this, it will work with that. We don't need to do anything else, right? Just close it and you will have to just crop. Just see here. Here we get the cropped image. Okay, it's worked here. So we can just get
sir.
the particular section of this image. And after getting this, you want to just trace some part, just go with that. Here we have the trace bitmap, and you just choose the little bit section from the particular long broad image, and you just move on clip art images. You can also reduce the bitmap and you will get the particular image outline. Right, and click on OK. You will get the outline structure, right? And you can select the particular part and just make.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just use these properties, and if you have any queries, ask me. Okay, dear? Any query in this plus class?
Okay, sir.